Japan in 2026 is not the same as before. On the surface, it still looks like the same beautiful country people dream about. But once you land, you start to feel the difference. New systems, new rules, higher costs, and more pressure to plan everything early. Things that used to be simple are now more structured and digital. If you are not prepared, small mistakes can quickly turn into stress. You might struggle at the airport, miss out on tickets, or spend more money than expected. Japan is still one of the best places to visit in the world, but it now rewards travelers who plan ahead. This video will show you exactly what you need to do before you go, so your trip starts smooth from day one and stays that way. I will walk you through a complete checklist you need before going to Japan in 2026. Not just a simple list, but the things that truly make a difference once you arrive. We will cover your documents, how to handle money, which apps you must have, what to book early, and the cultural rules you need to understand. Each part connects to the next, because missing one small step can affect your whole trip. The goal is simple. When you land in Japan, you feel ready, calm, and confident, instead of confused or overwhelmed. 1. Why Japan 2026 is different. Japan in 2026 feels more modern than ever, but that also means it expects more from you as a traveler. Almost everything is becoming digital. You will see QR codes at the airport, mobile tickets on your phone, and even train cards like Suica moving into digital wallets. It sounds convenient, and it is, but only if you set it up before you arrive. At the same time, some rules are changing. For example, tax-free shopping is moving toward a system where you may need to claim your refund at the airport instead of getting it instantly. Small changes like this can confuse you if you're not aware of them. There is also more demand than before. Japan is extremely popular right now, which means tickets for attractions can sell out very quickly. New places like Poke Park Kanto and themed museums are attracting even more visitors. All of this leads to one simple truth. You need to prepare earlier than before if you want a smooth experience. 2. Essential documents. Must do. Before you even think about packing your bags, you need to get your documents right. This is the part many people rush through, but it can decide how your trip begins. First, check your passport carefully. It should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. If it is close to expiring, fix that now, not later. Next, look at your visa situation. Some countries can enter Japan without a visa, but not all. Do not assume. Take a few minutes to check based on your passport, because this one step can save you from serious trouble. Then comes something very important for 2026. Visit Japan Web. This is an online system where you fill in your immigration and customs information before your flight. Once you complete it, you get a QR code. When you arrive, you simply scan it and move forward much faster. After a long flight, this makes a huge difference. You should also have travel insurance. Healthcare in Japan is good, but it is not free for tourists. Insurance gives you peace of mind. Finally, check your medication. Japan has strict rules, and some common medicines are not allowed. This is not a small detail. People do get stopped at the airport because of this. 3. Money and payments. One of the biggest advantages in 2026 is the exchange rate. The Japanese yen is still relatively weak, which means your money can go further compared to before. At first, this feels like good news, and it is, but only if you handle your payments the right way. A simple strategy works best. Use your card for larger payments to get a better exchange rate, but always keep cash with you for daily situations. Japan is modern, but it is not fully cashless. You will quickly notice this when you try to buy a drink from a vending machine or pay at a small local restaurant. In rural areas, cash becomes even more important. To stay comfortable, carry around 10 to 30,000 yen in your wallet. This gives you enough flexibility without worrying too much. When you need more, the easiest option is to withdraw money from a 7-Eleven ATM. They are reliable, easy to use, and available almost everywhere. 4. Internet and digital setup. Before you even step on the plane, make sure your internet is ready. This is one of the smartest decisions you can make. The best option today is an eSIM. You can install it before your flight, and the moment you land, your phone is already connected. No searching, no waiting, no stress. Pocket Wi-Fi is still an option, but it works better as a backup, especially if you travel in a group. For most people, eSIM is simpler and faster. Once you have internet, your phone becomes your most important tool. Google Maps will guide you through complex train systems with surprising accuracy. Google Translate can help you read menus, signs, and even have simple conversations using your camera or voice. If you want something more natural, apps like Papago or DeepL can improve translations, and tools like ChatGPT can help you understand things in a more human way. In Japan, your phone is not just helpful, it is essential. 5. Transportation setup. Getting around Japan is one of the easiest parts of your trip, but only if you set it up the right way from the beginning. The first thing you should prepare is an IC card, such as Suica or Pasmo. This small card can be used almost everywhere. You tap it to enter trains, buses, and even pay in convenience stores or vending machines. It saves time and removes the stress of buying tickets again and again. If you are using an iPhone, you can add the card directly to your wallet and use your phone to tap in and out. It feels smooth and very modern. If you are using Android, you will likely need a physical card, which you can get at the airport or major stations. You may have heard about the Japan Rail Pass, but things have changed. It is no longer always the best option, especially after the price increase. In many cases, regional passes or individual tickets make more sense, depending on your route. In reality, trains are the heart of travel in Japan. They are fast, extremely punctual, and connect almost everything. Once you understand the system, moving around becomes simple and even enjoyable. 6. Book everything early. Very important. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting too long to book things. In Japan today, especially in 2026, many popular places do not allow last-minute plans. If you wait until you arrive, there is a very high chance you will miss out. Some places are known to sell out quickly. Shibuya Sky is one of the best views in Tokyo, but sunset tickets disappear fast. TeamLab exhibitions are very popular and often fully booked. The Ghibli Museum is even harder. Tickets can be gone within minutes. The Pokémon Cafe and major theme parks also follow the same pattern, especially on weekends and holidays. A good rule is to book at least 2 to 3 months before your trip. If you are traveling during busy seasons like cherry blossom or autumn, you should book even earlier. These are the times when Japan receives the most visitors. It may feel like a lot of planning, but it protects your experience. When everything is secured in advance, you can enjoy your trip without worrying about missing something important. 7. Plan your trip smart. Planning your trip the right way can change your entire experience. For most people, 1 to 2 weeks is the ideal length. It gives you enough time to explore major cities like Tokyo and Kyoto without feeling rushed. But the real secret is not how long you stay. It is how you plan each day. Many travelers try to fit too much into a short time. They move from place to place without rest, and by the end, they feel tired instead of excited. Japan has so much to see, but you do not need to see everything. Leave space in your schedule. Give yourself free days to walk, explore, or simply slow down. Timing also matters. Try to avoid Golden Week, New Year, and peak cherry blossom weekends if possible. These periods are extremely crowded, and simple plans can become stressful. A flexible plan gives you freedom. And in Japan, that freedom often leads to the best moments. 8. Packing smart. Less is more. Packing for Japan is not about bringing more. It is about bringing the right things. You will walk a lot every day, so comfortable shoes are not optional. They are one of the most important items you will use. Light clothing that you can layer also works best, because the weather can change during the day. Small details matter more than you expect. A simple coin wallet can make paying easier, since Japan still uses many coins. A power bank will keep your phone alive, and your phone is something you will rely on all day. There are also a few things you should bring from home. Strong medicine can be hard to find or restricted. Deodorant is not always easy to get in the same type you are used to. If you wear larger shoe sizes, it is safer to bring your own. When it comes to luggage, keep it simple. A small suitcase and a backpack are usually enough. If needed, you can use luggage forwarding services so you do not have to carry heavy bags everywhere. 9. Culture and rules you must know. Understanding the culture in Japan is just as important as planning your trip. It is not about strict rules. It is about respect and awareness. Once you understand this, everything starts to feel natural. In public spaces, especially on trains, people are very quiet. You will notice it right away. Conversations are soft, and phone calls are avoided. Following this simple habit helps you blend in. Eating while walking is also uncommon. People usually stop, eat, and then continue. And tipping is not part of the culture. Good service is already expected, so leaving extra money can feel confusing to staff. There are also small but important details. You will not see many trash bins, so you carry your trash with you until you find one. When eating, never stick chopsticks straight into rice, as it has a special meaning. If you plan to visit an onsen, remember that tattoos can sometimes be restricted. Even how you move matters. On busy trains, wear your backpack in front to save space. On escalators, stand on one side and leave space for others to pass. These small actions show respect, and in Japan, that goes a long way. 10. Daily life reality, what people don't tell you. There are a few simple truths about daily life in Japan that many people do not talk about, but you will feel them quickly. You will walk a lot. It is normal to reach 20,000 steps in a single day without even noticing. Comfortable shoes are not a luxury, they are a necessity. Trains are amazing, but they do not run all night. If you miss the last train, your options become limited and expensive. Planning your evening matters more than you think. Hotel rooms can also feel smaller than expected, especially in big cities. It is normal, but it can surprise you at first. And on weekends, everything gets crowded. Popular areas fill up fast. Japan is easy to travel in, but only if you understand these small realities before you arrive. 11. Safety and risks. Japan is one of the safest countries you can visit, and you will feel that sense of security almost everywhere you go. You can walk at night, use public transport, and explore cities with confidence. That said, there are a few things you should be aware of. Earthquakes happen in Japan, but most of them are small and do not cause serious problems. Buildings are designed to handle them, and people around you will know what to do. Staying calm is the most important thing. If you travel to rural or mountain areas, there is also a small risk of encountering wildlife, including bears. It is rare, but it is something to respect. For your health, remember that flu season can start early. Simple habits like washing your hands and wearing a mask when needed can help you stay well throughout your trip. 12. Food and experience. Food is one of the best parts of visiting Japan, and it is something you will remember long after your trip ends. There are a few dishes you should not miss. Sushi is fresh and simple. Ramen is warm and comforting. Yakitori, grilled chicken on sticks, is perfect for a quick and tasty meal. Ordering food can feel different at first. Some places use ticket machines where you choose your meal and pay before sitting down. Others use tablets or QR codes at your table. It may feel new, but it is usually very easy to follow. If there is a restaurant you really want to try, it is better to book in advance. Popular places can fill up quickly. At the same time, do not overlook convenience stores. They are affordable, easy to find, and the food quality is surprisingly good. 13. Accommodation strategy. Where you stay can shape your entire trip more than you expect. In Japan, you have a few clear choices. Hotels are the easiest and most convenient option. They are clean, efficient, and simple to use, especially after a long day of travel. If you want something more unique, a ryokan offers a traditional experience with tatami floors, futon beds, and a slower, more peaceful atmosphere. It can become one of the most memorable parts of your journey. If you are traveling with friends or family, Airbnb can be a good choice because it gives you more space. Location matters just as much as the type of stay. Try to choose a place near a train station. It will save you time and energy every day. Long commutes may seem small at first, but they can quickly become exhausting over time. 14. Pro Traveler Strategy. If you want to travel like a pro in Japan, small changes in your habits can make a big difference. Start your day early. The same place that feels crowded at noon can feel calm and beautiful in the morning. You see more, and you enjoy it more. When you visit famous spots, do not stop at the main street. Walk just one street away. That is often where the real charm begins. It becomes quieter, more local, and more personal. These are the moments many travelers miss. For food, try supermarkets. They are not just for groceries. You can find fresh meals at lower prices, and sometimes even discounts in the evening. And if you want something truly different, go beyond the Golden Route. Places like Tohoku, Kyushu, or Hokkaido offer a deeper side of Japan. This is where the experience starts to feel real and unforgettable. Japan in 2026 is a place where technology makes travel easier, but only if you are ready for it. If you come prepared, everything feels smooth and simple. If you do not, even small things can slow you down and create stress. So remember the 3 most important things. First, have your apps and internet ready before you arrive. Your phone will guide you through almost every part of your trip. Second, set up your IC card so you can move around without thinking. Third, book important places early, because waiting often means missing out. These steps may seem small, but together they change everything. When you prepare the right way, you can focus on what truly matters. Enjoying the journey, exploring new places, and creating memories that stay with you long after you leave Japan. Are you going for the first time or coming back for a second visit? Share your travel plan in the comments. I would also love to hear about your plan.